Hey everyone, today I'm doing a short unboxing video on the Looney Tunes Platinum Collection Volume 1 DVD. I got this on Amazon for $9. On the front of the cover, we have Bugs, Daffy, Marvin the Martian, and Taz. On the spine is blue and white. On the back, there is characters from the cartoons and some cartoon images. It says go platinum with the remastered collection of Looney Tunes. Let's start unboxing. Sorry about that. Okay, so I got that unboxed. Okay, so it comes with a digital copy code. I was not expecting that. Okay, so it does come with a digital copy, which that's kind of nice, so you can take it on the go. Even though I have a portable DVD player, I will introduce that in another video. But I have the Looney Tunes Platinum Collection Volume 1 Disc 1 right here with Bugs on it, and then Looney Tunes Platinum Collection Volume 1 Disc 2 with Daffy, and Marvin the Martian. Okay, so that was my quick unboxing of the Looney Tunes Platinum Collection on DVD. Most people got this on Blu-ray, but I got a DVD for $9 on Amazon. So anyway, thanks for watching, and please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.